Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm going to be preparing for you a quick and easy quarantine meal. Pork chops, baked potatoes, corn and broccoli. Watch me as I do it. Here are the ingredients on the left. Okay, let's begin. Now I'm going to prepare this frying pan with about a half of a cup of oil just to fry the pork chops. This water is for the potatoes, sweet potatoes. I have 2 large sweet potatoes. They've already been washed. I'm just going to put them in the water to boil a bit before baking them. 3 large corns and 4 slices of pork chops. They're being fried right now. Now they're not going to be fried all the way through. I am preparing the corn, nice fresh corn. All right. I find this way easier to shuck them, take off the shucks. Okay, just cut both sides. And they fall right off. I don't know why, I just love boiled corn or even roasted corn. Oh boy, I love it. Sometimes we just put them on the grill and just let it go. Roast them right just like that in the shuck. Or you can also roast them in the oven. It's up to you. You put some salt, garlic salt, and a little bit of butter. It works. Cut this end off a little bit more. Now I'm just going to let them go in a pot of water and some garlic salt. Giving my pork chops now the first turn after about 3 minutes or so. Okay, corn is in the water and some garlic salt. About a tablespoon of garlic salt. These are sweet corn. Okay, now I'm just going to allow them to boil with the cover on, the lid on. And of course the stove is on medium. Alright, my pork chops are rolling. Taking them out. That's the first 2 slices. It's only 3 of us, so 4 slices should do it. That'll be 2 for my hubby, 1 for me and 1 for my daughter. Okay. This is quarantine time. I'm not expecting any visitors, so I don't have to cook a whole lot of food. Something that is quick. Keeping everything fresh so that I don't have too much work at the end. Okay, now I'm already cut up the broccoli. This is 1 large head of broccoli. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water. See, just a little bit. That is even less than a 1/4 cup. Put the lid on. Now I'm gonna put that, turn the stove on under the broccoli when everything is just about finished. I only want to just let the heat tip them. No long cooking for the broccoli. This is the pan. I'm just preparing this for the pork chops. Now I'm just going to alter my husband's barbecue sauce a bit. I'm just adding some more honey to it. Garlic. Some thyme. I'm just adding a little bit more love to it so it can really stick to the pork chops. So I'm just using my magic bullet just to grind up the broccoli and the thyme. I add some more honey in it as well. So just gonna let that go until the broccoli is, you can't see the broccoli. There's the thyme and all that goodness. This is his special. Oh, and I also added some pineapple preserve. Okay, that's the last piece of pork chops. Okay, 4 slices. That's good. That's enough for a family of 3. Okay. Now I'm just gonna paint each piece with this special barbecue sauce. I even made it more special. So this is delicious. I allowed my daughter to taste it. And you know children are going to be brutally honest. She's like, Mommy, it is good. Turn them over and I'm just going to paint the other side as well. Cover it down and put it in the oven. 350 for about 10 minutes. I want these to get a little bit of crust on it, so I'm going to take the foil off it for the last 3 minutes of the 10 minutes. Just let the barbecue sauce really do its thing to the pork chops. Okay, this looks ready now. Just could imagine. It's quarantine time, so something that is quick. Potatoes are rolling. Now I'm not going to let them cook all the way on the stove. They're going to finish cook as they bake. So it's time to take them out. Okay, using this fork for a little assistance. And I wanted to drop back into the pot and splash the water on me. So just using the fork to help me out. And I'm using this tongue also to keep the potatoes steady. Not cooked all the way. That's alright. I got something for you. So I'm gonna allow these to cook for about 5 minutes in foil. After which, take them out of the oven, open the foil, and I'm gonna spoon some cinnamon sugar over them. Now I was out of cinnamon, so I just ground up the cinnamon sticks in the magic bullet along with the sugar, and I made my own cinnamon sugar because you know we can't go out, so I have to make do. And it's even better than the food stores cinnamon sugar. I can grind this. I made these a little small, but that's okay. Gotta work. So my husband would get a whole potato. I would get a half, and my daughter would get half. That's enough for me. All right. Big sweet potatoes with cinnamon sugar. Put it down there for about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to check the pork chops. Okay, see how they are coming on. Yeah, that's it. Oh my word. Put them back in for about another 5 minutes. Now it's time for the potatoes. This is after 5-6 minutes. The oven is on 350. I'm gonna just sprinkle these with the cinnamon sugar I've made. This is gonna be great. That cinnamon sugar is just gonna set it off. Kitchen's gonna be lit. Okay, see, everything is fine. Look at it. Okay. So I'm just sprinkling this over the potatoes to give me a nice crust, sweet crust. Smells delicious. More on this one. Okay. Oh my word. This smells great. Ooh. Back into the oven for about 3 minutes. Before, I'm just going to put a little bit of palm spray over them. Okay. Really keep the sugar on. Looks wonderful. Now it's time for the broccoli. I've already added a little bit of water. And that's going to go for about 2 minutes. Now I took the foil off the pork chops. 3 minutes. There you have it. Everything is complete. Corn, pork chops, potato and broccoli. Yes. That's a quick quarantine meal. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.